Welcome back to K.songthiang channel. English to khasi. Here are some simple English words which we will learn today. Hang ne ngidon katto katne gi kenten pareng kiba khamsuk kiba ngenya pule mentah. Let's get started. Tu ngenya sedang no. Believe me. Nget yanga. Believe me. Nget yanga. Don't fear. What shifting? Don't fear. What shifting? Keep them secret. Bore bahayaki. Keep them secret. Bore bahayaki. Don't spend more. What pendut cibur? Don't spend more. What pendut cibur? Count carefully. Nhiều baha. Count carefully. Nhiều baha. Return it to me. Pen phai no yaka shanga. Return it to me. Pen phai no yaka shanga. Leave it here. It no yaka hangne. Leave it here. It no yaka hangne. Do not tear the paper. Watar yaka kot. Do not tear the paper. Watar yaka kot. Think carefully. Dapper khat bha. Think carefully. Dapper khat bha. Don't shake the plant. What penki ya ucing thuk. Don't shake the plant. What penki ya ucing thuk. Please don't shout. Sngow bhawat ya perta. Please don't shout. Sngow bhawat ya perta.